Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. We're going to be doing a field stripping of the Taurus Tx22. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and field strip our Taurus Tx22. First thing you want to do is release the magazine. Check to make sure there's nothing in the chamber. Then it is safe to dry fire, and you're going to have to do it to disassemble it. Go ahead, dry fire it. Then ever so slightly pull your slide back. Hold your slide back. You got this little lever right here you want to pull down. Release your slide. It comes right apart. Remove your spring. Remove your barrel. Go ahead, clean your gun, wipe it down, leave it up. Okay, to reassemble it, take your barrel. Make sure this little knot side is up. Push it in, push it back. Your spring, line up with the hole. The star side will go to the back of your pistol. Go ahead, slide that back in. Put your slide back on. You'll have about that much left on the rear. Just slide it back. Fire. And you got a completely reassembled Taurus Tx22. It's really not that bad. When I first did it, I kept sliding this back too far, so I couldn't get it off. But once you get the hang of it, it really ain't that bad. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.